What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today going to be doing a full walk around of the new truck here. There's not a whole lot done to it, lots of plans for it, so I'll be going over that as well. I wanted to give you guys a look at how this build's going to start, kind of where we're at, how I bought it, and where we're going to be going moving forward. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, guys. My new 2018 Ram 2500 with the 6.4 Hemi in it. Alright guys, so here's the truck here. Like I said, it's the 2018 Ram 2500. It does have the Hemi in it, the 6.4, less than 100k miles, so she's in good shape and very well taken care of. First and foremost here, we'll go with the suspension. It does have a 5-inch rough country lift on it. This was done before I got the truck, so not sure how long it's been on here, but did keep the stock springs, which I do like because it keeps all the towing capabilities. May end up replacing these though with full springs for the lift, but it is a 5-inch lift. And let's go to the back here. So in the back you can see it's just the little blocks as well that kind of hold that up there. Yeah, and they do have the rough country shocks on here. Not a fan of these. They do not ride very well at all. So I will be replacing those here very soon with some Fox. All right, and for the wheel and tire setup here, we do have the Vision 20x12s, -51 offset in the gloss black. Absolutely love these wheels. That originally with this truck I had 20x10 moto metals. Wanted a little bit more offset on these, and these do stick out pretty far even with the fender flares, so I do love the setup here. Now these do have the Turo trail blades. These are 37, 13.5, 20. Been very happy with these tires so far. They balanced well, they look good. One thing I will say, they do have a lot of road noise, but it's a mud tire. What else do you expect? I actually like the sound of mud tires, so not a problem for me, but as you can see, they do stick out pretty good even with these fender flares on. So look kind of small in the video here, but they do fill these fender wells pretty nice. Alright guys, and on this truck, do have the Bushwhacker color matched fender flares. These also came with the truck, so I did not put these on. I did take them off for a little bit there. There's no rust at all underneath any of these, but I did notice that it did leave some marks from where the tape was or where the rattling was. Not exactly sure, but tried to buff it out as much as I could and ended up putting these back on. I like the look of the fender flares, truthfully. Would rather take them off, but with the marks that are there, just makes more sense to leave them on. So I actually really like the color match look. I think they look really nice. And there is an aftermarket front bumper on here. I'm not exactly sure what brand this is. It is semi color match though. It does have some nice tow hooks here as well. But don't know a whole lot about this. I couldn't find any branding on it anywhere. I may end up swapping that out. I'm not really a big fan of how far it sticks out, but it's a good looking bumper. I may end up keeping it, may go back to stock. Not 100% sure yet, but it'll either be that or stock. All right, and in the back here, I'm running the Tuxedo Low Pro cover. Absolutely love this cover so far. It has been fantastic. Looks really nice on the truck here. It doesn't really show at all from the side, so I really like that. Now one thing as well, I don't have enough room here to open the tailgate, but it does have the gooseneck fifth wheel hook up there already installed. Also has the spray-in bed liner, so not really too much to show back in the back there, but yeah, that's what's going on back there. It also has these rough country steps on here. They are rusting a bit. I don't know how long these have been on the truck. They were on there when I bought them, but I'll probably end up swapping these out for the electric ones that drop down. But those are pretty pricey, so that'll be a hot minute before I do that. But for now, these will work, and with the truck being as tall as it is, that's definitely a must-have. Now, going to the inside, not a whole lot in here. I do have the bullet point phone mount there. It does have the smaller radio there, which, it's not bad. It does have the backup camera with sensors installed, which I really like. So that's really nice. Big area here, which I like. I know everyone likes the one-piece design. I actually really like this. A lot of cup holders, a lot of space, really like that. All right, under the hood here, not a whole lot to show. Again, it's a Hemi 6.4, very, very clean engine here. I've been very happy with this so far. I did go ahead and install the Pulsar on here. Been very happy with that because I wanted to turn off the MDS. Absolutely hate that eco mode crap. It sucks. So very happy with that. Lots of good features on that. Was able to change my tire size as well. So been very happy with that setup. And again, very happy with the Hemi here. And I know a lot of people are going to ask, you know, why Hemi over the Cummins? And I've said this in my last video. One, could not find a Cummins in the price range I was comfortable with that had less than 200,000 miles. I know that's just breaking it in for a diesel engine, but I don't want a truck with 200,000 miles on it starting out. That's just not something that I want for the price I'm going to pay for this truck. And with this Hemi, I've been very happy. The power is plenty for me. It's got plenty of towing capacity. I don't need the extra horsepower and extra towing capacity that the Cummins offers. It does offer better miles per gallon. It can tow more, obviously, but I don't really need that, and I'm very happy with the Hemi. Eventually, I'll probably go with the diesel, you know, maybe 5 years, 6 years down the road, but right now, no need for it, and I'm very happy with this Hemi here and the price I paid for it. Got an absolutely smoking deal on this truck, and it's in fantastic shape. So I'm very happy with this and the options that I went with. All right, and the things that I want to change, definitely going to be upgrading the headlights. It's not that I don't like these headlights, but I just don't like the look of stock headlights. These are very clean, nothing wrong with them, but we'll be going with the Alpha Rex headlights on these very, very, very soon. I really like the LED versions they have, so those will be replaced. Again, as I said earlier, going to be doing the Fox shocks here very soon as well. I'm not sure how long these shocks have been on here, but don't really like the ride on these, and I feel like that's a lot of shaft showing for a 5-inch lift, so that'll be changed out. Sooner or later, we'll also be upgrading the drag link as well as the tie rod and the track bar, hopefully with Synergy. Really like Synergy setup on these, so we'll probably end up going Synergy, but those will be changed here soon as well. We'll probably end up doing the taillights too eventually, but the taillights aren't really the main priority right now. I don't really care too much about that. And then also we'll be doing the steps here as well with the electric steps, but that'll be a long way down the road because that's about 1,500 bucks there. So that's kind of the upcoming plans for this truck and what I plan to do on it, you know, before the end of this year, maybe into next year a little bit as well. All right, guys, and that's going to do it for today's video here. I just want to do a little walk around of the truck for you guys. Again, I'll be documenting all these upgrades I'm going to be doing. The first one's going to be next year. It's probably going to be the headlights. So I'll document all that for you guys so you can see the difference between both. The headlights on these are just not that great, and I really want the LEDs. So Alpha Rex makes a great headlight. Planning on throwing those in here very soon. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Got a lot of upcoming plans for this truck. Love the way it sits now, but just a few little things that I'd like to upgrade to get this where I want it. So again, I'll be documenting all this for you guys. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more truck content coming your way. And I'll see you guys in the next one.